Hey guys, how's it going? It's me, Chris, again, and today we have a 2020 Toyota Camry maintenance light reset. We are going to use these buttons over here, left, right, up and down, and OK, back. And we're going to be looking at that screen right there. Go ahead and turn on your car without starting. Okay, now you're going to go ahead and, as you can see, maintenance required. You're going to go ahead and use the back button, and then you're gonna have to go scroll down or up to find your page, which is here on the menu setting, and you're gonna click right to go all the way down to here, this page setting. Now you go ahead and press on it, OK on it, and hold, press OK and hold. You're gonna come here, now scroll down to schedule maintenance, OK on that, and scroll up to yes, OK on that. And that is it, guys. Thank you for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye bye.